Okay, so now we have Tomcat installed. Let's go ahead and work on installing and partially configuring Artifactory. So I already had the Tomcat started up. I'm going to open another tab here and I'm going to go to my home directory and I'm going to do the same thing that we did with the Tomcat installation, which is copy the directory of Artifactory, not the contents of Artifactory, the entire folder of Artifactory, to DevOps folder. And let's go to DevOps, and you should have Artifactory installed or copied over. I can just go to bin, and all we need to do is start up Artifactory using the shell or the bat command. So it also relies on JDK, and it has its own installation of Tomcat. So once Artifactory starts up, we'll go to the home page of Artifactory and make sure that it came up fine. So if you notice, it's running on 8081 right here. So Artifactory is up and running. It says it started in 25 seconds. I'm going to go to the port that it asked us to go to, and you should see welcome to Jfrog Artifactory. I'm not going to set up any password for now. I'm going to skip the default password as password. I don't need to configure a proxy server because I'm running on my local machine. And the only repository that I'm going to pick is Maven. And click on create. So it's going to create 5 different repositories. The libs snapshot local and libs release local are for publishing your artifacts from your Jenkins jobs to the local repository. The snapshot and release will have releases from external vendors, whether it's Apache or whether it's Sun, whatever it is, right? So I'm logged in. It says welcome admin. Just to make sure that I'm set up right, I'm going to log out and again log in with admin password. So I'm set up. I have the different repositories that's been required, and I can actually get into the admin section and I can look at any configuration items later. But at this point, we are set up with installing and partially configuring Artifactory.